Dayal Singh College, established in 1959, is a public institution located in Lodi Colony, Delhi, affiliated with Delhi University. The college holds an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. This video will provide a detailed review of the BSc program offered here. Beginning with its placements rated 3.2 stars. DSC's 2024 placements saw participation from recruiters such as Dhanguard, AX Property, NTT Data, Uniqlo, and Tata Power DDL, among others. The college had over 105 companies on board. Students say that roles offered include lab-related positions such as lab technician, lab assistant, and lab manager, alongside technology-focused roles like software developer, IT support engineer, and web manager. Opportunities are also available in digital marketing, financial analysis, research, and education, with positions such as class representative and social media manager. As per NIRF 2024 report for the UG 3-year program, 212 students graduated in the year 2022-23, and of these 205 or 10% got placed in various roles. Another 901 or 45% pursued higher studies. The highest placement package in 2024 was 23.5 lakh per annum, with a median package of 5 lakh per annum, marking an 11% increase from the previous year. Compared to other colleges, DSC lags behind in median salary, with Shahid Bhagat Singh College offering a median salary of 6 lakh per annum. Students also mentioned that the annual internship fair, where opportunities are provided through stipends, can be low. The placement cell helps students secure internships and jobs, especially for those maintaining good academic performance. Around 80% of the life science students secure internships. Now let's dive into the BSc program, which holds a rating of 4 stars. DSc offers 9 BSc specializations, including life science, physical science, botany, chemistry, and zoology, among others. The seat intake is 677, and the eligibility requires 45 to 60% in 10+2, according to the chosen specialization. Admissions are based on CUET scores. The 2024 CUET cutoffs reveal intense competition in zoology compared to botany and life sciences. The total fees for the 3-year program costs 46.7 to 52.4 thousand, including exam fees. Scholarships and financial assistance are available for economically weaker students, with options from both government and non-government agencies. The program holds a 4.3 star rating for value for money. Let's now discuss the infrastructure rated 3.9 stars. Founded by Sardar Dayal Singh Majeethia, it is originated in Lahore, re-established post-partition in Delhi, and later maintained by Delhi University. It features 54 classrooms, including eco-friendly bamboo rooms and porta cabins, all equipped with multimedia projectors and ICT tools. Other facilities include an amphitheatre, auditorium, seminar hall, staff rooms, and faculty rooms. The campus provides high-speed Wi-Fi, advanced servers, licensed software, and a well-stocked library with digital resources. In terms of sports, DSC provides courts for basketball, football, cricket, badminton, kabaddi, and archery. There are also tracks for cycling and athletics under development. While basic medical facilities are available, including a nurse and essential medicines, a significant drawback is the lack of hostel facilities, which poses an issue for the outstation students. Turning to faculty and course rated 4.3 stars. The teachers are highly qualified, with many holding doctorates from top institutions. The teaching approach is praised for being excellent, with faculty known for being caring and proficient in their subjects. The curriculum is well structured, incorporated both theory and practical components. With a 4.2 star rating for campus life, let's delve deeper. The college boasts 11 societies for various cultural activities, including music, fine arts, theatre, photography, and dance. Regular cultural events like music and dance competitions are organized, along with online fundraisers and workshops. The National Service Scheme and the National Cadet Corps also contribute to their respective community service and training programs. Finally, DSC has shown impressive growth in the NIRF rankings for colleges. In 2022, it was ranked 35th, then dropped to 48th in 2023, and has since improved to 34th in 2024. For more details on DSC and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below, and don't forget to like and share this video.